severe arthritis of the big toe. The surgeon begins by performing a release of the soft tissues that surround the joint. A guide wire is drilled into the center of the first metatarsal shaft. A bone cutter is placed over the wire and the end of the bone is removed. A circular reamer is then placed over the wire and the end of the bone is reshaped. The guide wire is removed and placed in the center of the proximal phalanx, or the largest of the toe bones. A bone cutter is then placed over the wire and the end of the bone is removed. The shape of the bone cutters allows the ends of the bone to fit together tightly. A plate is then placed on top of the bones across the joint. The plate is temporarily held to the bone by pins. The pins contain balls or olives on them to help hold the plate in place. A drill is used to create 2 holes in the bone, one on each side of the joint. A depth gauge is used to determine the length of the screw. Screws are turned down to loosely hold the plate to the bone. The guide wires are removed, and another wire is inserted obliquely across the joint. A tunnel is drilled over the wire, and a screw is measured and inserted across the joint to add stability to the construct. Once this screw is in place, the screws on top are tightened, tightly fixing the plate to the bone. Additional screws are placed to fill all remaining holes in the plate. This technique eliminates the arthritic joint and the patient's pain.